guys, welcome to another episode from Creative Rides. Let's see what's going on in the shop. Let's see what's going on in here. Carter done got all the sand out, or soda blasting, whatever it is. In good shape. It's a good start, that's for sure. It's a good start, that's for sure. Oh yeah. What you doing?
Paint.
Paint. So you moved over to the body shop. Now you're already a painter? You on the fast track, ain't you?
Yeah, I become Rattle Can Certified yesterday.
Rattle Can Certified. Well, I need you to do some work on my Porsche on the front vents. I need them painted black. They're getting a little beat up from the track. So probably gonna be some taping off, huh? Yes, sir. WRTH. See, I can spell too. Hey, I want to tell you that, you know, Tyler's been in the body shop, right? Mm-hmm. And he told me he was getting ready to paint. I told him he was on the fast track because he's just got in the body shop and now he's a painter.
So
and what?
Rattle Can Certified.
Rattle Can Certified. That's the first step. That's level 1.
I knew you was gonna go to the body shop as soon as I seen you blocking that roof.
Hey, let me ask you, are you gonna put one of those tops on the rattle can so it looks like you got a spray gun, or are you gonna do it by finger?
That's genius. You should get one of them. Well, your fingers don't get cramps.
Oh, it would, because they go on the outside.
Yeah.
That would be kind of snazzy. My mom's got some.
Get you a solder.
I'll Sharpie sod on the side of it. That'd be funny.
Go ask Tyler what his thoughts on the saying the body shop will get it. It's close enough, the body shop will get it. And see how he answers.
Okay, so I need to go ask him the phrase.
Yeah, ask him.
Don't worry about it, the body shop will get it.
Yeah, it's close enough, the body shop will get it.
Okay.
Ask him that.
Okay.
See what he said about it.
All right. Let's see what happens. Hey Tyler. I got a question for you. What's it mean when you say it's close enough, body shop will get it?
Well, you want the old definition or the new definition?
Well, I mean, since Webster's going and changing the definition of male and female now, go ahead and give me both.
Well, it used to mean that was close enough, it ain't my problem anymore.
Okay.
But now that there's only like 1.5 people in the body shop,
Yeah.
we're all the body shop. So now when I say the body shop will get it, that means I have to go back and do it.
Is that effective 2023 or what?
No, that was effective about a month ago.
About a month ago. Okay. Hey Jerry, don't worry about it. The body shop will get it.
I know they will.
Huh?
I know they will.
He said he's part of the body shop now.
Oh, he's the body shop man.
Well, he's actually got promoted to painter. Look.
Right.
Rattle Can Certified.
Whew, that's awesome. Hey, did you write that can down?
Look.
Gotta go.
Yep, it's been labeled, the fender.
Gotta go. Gotta go.
You gotta shake it till the ball stops. That's the secret.
What is this? YouTube sir, Master Auto Technician.
Yeah.
I can't read the
That's
box.
a website. We
Oh.
don't need a website. This is you need to go present this to Tyler. He just graduated.
From YouTube?
Yep.
What you mean?
Well, he took the YouTube training on how to be a master auto tech. He's
Oh,
like a
where's
little
he
bit of
at?
everything.
All right, I'm gonna give that to him later. Can we get everybody around to like congratulate him?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, is he in the bathroom?
Yeah, probably.
All right, you round him up when he comes out and let me know. We got a special presentation we're getting ready to give.
Oh yeah?
Tyler, he graduated from the YouTube Master Auto Technician course. So we're gonna all congratulate him out there. And did you know that he just got in the body shop and he's already a painter. He's painting now. He's spray can certified, he said.
Spray can certified. I believe it.
Yeah.
So YouTube certified.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna get all the guys together and present that to Tyler, since he's first one that's been certified in the shop here. I think he deserves some recognition for that.
Well, you know, he has been our only employee of the month.
Y'all ready? Got everybody out there? Okay, you go out there too.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Fellas. Everybody here? Jerry, them things gonna rot your teeth out. Okay. We got. What are you sliding over there for? You got to get in the frame.
Everybody got to get in.
Yeah. So we got a special recognition. Someone has completed a course. First one in the shop. And I think he deserves some recognition. Don't you, Travis?
I think so.
You want to present him with the award?
Yeah, I do. So who y'all think it should be? Anybody? Nah. So this award right here goes straight to Tyler for the first one in the shop. Hey, y'all listening? First one in the shop. It is YouTube certified.
Master Auto Technician.
Auto Tech.
You got any comments? Like, what's the next course you gonna take? Painting or body shop?
I don't know. I have to see what they got out there. 'Cause this is like mechanicing.
That's Master Auto.
That's everything.
That's just Master
There you
Auto.
go. That's everything.
Yeah.
So I ain't got nothing else to learn.
So he's it. That's
See?
I need a little patch on my shirt.
We need to give
Can
him
I
a
get
little.
a mini one of these?
Yes.
To tape up on my shirt.
Yeah, we'll get you one of them.
Back.
Yeah, we'll get you a button.
Maybe we'll get some shirts printed.
Hey, maybe we can put it. Put one on your sleeve there. Yeah,
Instead of iCar certified, it's YouTube certified.
YouTube certified.
yeah.
Yep.
All right, everybody give him a
Good job,
hand.
Tyler.
Good job. Woo.
My paint boots. My paint boots getting dirty with all y'all in it.
Hey, Carter.
Yeah.
You and Tyler, y'all went to high school together.
Uh-huh.
Y'all went to welding school together.
Yeah.
And he's the first one to get the YouTube certification. How do you feel about that? He's kind of step one ahead of you now.
Well, see, if you think about it, you have to take one step back to go 2 steps forward. So that just means he's been sitting on his ass watching YouTube videos longer than I have.
Oh. Huh. I guess that's a good point.
But I'm proud of him. He deserves it.
Yeah, he does. Well, we got a surprise for y'all. Got a surprise.
Ta-da!
Y'all want to
Who
guess? Who is? Nate Dogg in the house. Did you remember how to get here?
It was a little complicated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is put it in neutral and just coast down the hill, brother.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Dodge cars.
Were you drinking 90 proof now or something?
Yeah.
He got him a sheet in on there.
I'm so drunk.
You so drunk.
He's so. That's a good one. You need a hashtag that one. You need a hashtag that one.
Yep.
Look at that. See, they don't even care about safety in here anymore. They just spray stuff out here in the open.
We do.
It's kind of like they clean out the paint booth and they don't want to mess it up, so they just spray everything out here.
Just get everything all.
Carcinogens and all that stuff.
That mesothelioma starts acting up,
Yeah.
and Peyronie disease.
Hey, I got the word of the day.
You got the word of the day?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this. Come on.
Capital B, capital O, capital A, capital F. Both.
Both.
Both. Capital B,
Oh.
capital O,
Yeah.
capital A, capital F. Both.
Do you want to be a welder or do you want to be a body shop man?
Oh, I don't want to be both.
Both.
I don't want to be both.
B-O-A-F. Both.
I don't want to be both.
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 Yeah.
Both. Both of these?
B-O-A-F.
Hey, take your hat off real quick.
Y'all see it? David Spade.
David Spade.
We got a celebrity working at the place. Hobby dog, look at that. Nate Dog, come over here and put your stuff out on empty your pockets. I gotta do a welfare check on you.
It's like that.
I gotta do a welfare check.
Are you TSA?
No, I'm USA.
That's all I got.
Huh? Put it down there.
Okay.
You got anything in your hoodie?
No.
Huh?
Besides,
You can't say that on camera. Look. Boy, I will tell you what. Them diabetes kicking in. I'm gonna tell Jennifer on you.
she knows I'm sweet.
That's going. Look at that. Look. You gotta tell her when the next. I'm gonna let you know when the next episode.
What are you doing with all that candy?
That came out your pocket.
Put it in.
Some things never change.
No.
You gonna act like you're gonna put all that back in your pants.
I don't
and
know where
then
that
as soon as
came
I
from.
turn off the camera, you're gonna come back over here and you're gonna come over here and put it back in your pocket.
TSA setup.
USA. Hey, have you met Lewis?
Lewis.
Yeah,
Who's Lewis?
Lewis.
You didn't see Lewis?
Yeah,
Oh, that. Your helper?
yeah.
Well,
He's in the office. Did you see him?
I think I seen him.
Yeah, he's pretty quiet.
Not like me.
you and him would get along.
Hey, we hired him to replace you when you left.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he ain't done much. He ain't done much either. Well,
It's not nice.
look, Nate Dog, everything's left just like you left it when we.
I didn't
when
leave
you,
it this now.
I mean, look at
Yeah,
this,
y'all
all this
can't say
crap,
a damn word
all
about
this
how I
crap
left
you left in here when you left. I mean,
Same shit.
I mean, this is more cluttered and disorganized than when I was here.
well, good. That's why we need you here.
Why to reorganize it?
Yeah, come on back and, I mean, when that day you left, you called and said, "Hey, I just left it back there. Y'all clean it up for me. I'm gone."
I don't remember that. Amnesia, huh?
You got short-term memory. Oh, you like that Lincoln?
You want to buy it?
Yeah, I would.
Big long caddy, not like a Seville.
You can't call a Lincoln a caddy.
Okay. I was just trying to
That's
show you my rapping skills.
That's a dead Kennedy.
Nate Dawg,
Yeah.
does this bring back some memories?
I see you took my sign down.
Yeah, the
dojo
the
sign.
dojo's gone.
Yeah.
It's way gone.
And the VIP bathroom, now just any old random person.
I know.
In
Yeah,
there.
but you know what? Tyler's picture's still in there.
Oh, yeah.
The employee of the month. He just got YouTube certified today.
He did.
Oh,
Sure
really?
enough. Yeah.
Yeah, presented a certificate and all.
Huh.
Hey, Nate Dawg,
Yeah.
close us out.
Close you out?
Yeah.
Okay, this is live from Greenville, South Carolina. Nate Dawg in the house.
Special guest star.
Special guest star here at Creative Rods.
Yeah.
Um,
Like, share, subscribe.
yeah, like that button, share that button, or whatever them darn bells are.
Yeah.
And
And we'll see you on the next episode.
yeah, we'll see you on the next episode.
You gonna come back and be on some other episodes
Yeah, I
sometime?
heard I might get paid to come be
Nobody
live-
talked about paying you
live in
anything.
this, these videos up.
We
a little bit.
didn't talk about any kind of
Well,
compensation.
I was just throwing that out there real
Okay.
quick.
Putting the seed out.
Yeah.
All right.
Really
Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Yeah, too many fingers there.